Red Bull has built the fastest FPV drone in the world for filming Formula One races. The drone speeds up to a record-breaking 186 miles per hour in just 4 seconds, which is twice as fast as a racing car can go. Additionally, the drone can navigate the racetrack just like the cars, with turns, accelerations, and brakes, and withstand forces up to 6G. Tests also showed that the drone can operate at maximum electronic settings without overheating, avoiding critical errors. During the tests, the drone raced alongside the Red Bull Formula One car and even outpaced it on some sections. The drone's current autonomous operation time is limited to 3 minutes. However, engineers are already working on increasing this duration. Air and ground delivery robots are no longer new. But what about underground autonomous couriers? Pipe Dream Labs has launched the world's first underground delivery system, connecting a busy shopping center with a laboratory in Georgia. Here's how it works. After placing an order, Pipe Dream's mobile robots collect it from the designated store in the shopping center and deliver it to the laboratory through a special system of underground tunnels stretching about 1 mile. These robots can transport food, parcels, grocery, household goods, and more. According to the developers, this is expected to help avoid traffic jams on city streets and significantly reduce delivery times to customers. Lenovo has introduced the world's first concept laptop with a transparent display and keyboard. Why is this needed? According to company representatives, the transparent screen may be useful for professionals working with photos and graphics. For example, an architect can immediately create a sketch of a future building and link it to the actual terrain by placing such a laptop in front of an interesting landscape. The transparency is achieved thanks to a camera located on the outside of the device's lid. It recognizes objects behind it and allows working with augmented reality technologies. Additionally, the laptop prototype lacks a physical keyboard. Instead, a virtual analog is displayed on the glass surface, which automatically turns off when the user moves away from the device. 3 wheels, detachable batteries, and a range of up to 93 miles. All these are characteristics of the innovative mini tricycle Nimbus 1 from the startup of the same name. This electric car is so compact that 3 such vehicles can comfortably fit in one standard parking space. This will allow their owners to easily find parking even in the most densely populated megacities. The maximum speed of the tricycle is 49 miles an hour. Driver and passenger safety is ensured by a sturdy steel and plastic body as well as built-in airbags. Additionally, the cabin features heating, air conditioning, and Bluetooth speakers. The batteries can be charged from a regular household electrical outlet. From 0 to 95%, the batteries charge in 5.4 hours. Fast charging will reduce this procedure to 1.2 hours. Smartwatches, smart glasses, and now a smart shoe cabinet. This device developed by LG consists of a box and 2 shelves. Inside the device, perfect conditions are created according to the manufacturer to protect shoes from moisture and ultraviolet radiation, which can fade fabrics. The smart cabinet has 10 operating modes for different types of shoes, including leather, suede, and sports shoes. Depending on the type and material of the loaded item, the device automatically selects the appropriate mode, during which it treats the shoes with steam and refreshes them using a special filter. The smart cabinet is controlled through an app, and its performance is 4 pairs of sneakers in 37 minutes. An original way to remind people to cross the road only at designated places has been invented in Quebec. At one intersection, a special billboard is installed. When a pedestrian passes by it, a skeleton appears on the screen imitating their movements. Then, the avatar is hit by a car and a message appears on the screen: "Bone versus steel, you don't stand a chance. Cross the road at intersections." Creative, isn't it? The Airfish 8 Ekranoplan will begin commercial flights in 2025. For this purpose, the Turkish company Eurasia Mobility Solutions has already ordered 10 such machines from the manufacturer ST Engineering, and plans to order the same amount again if their campaign is successful. Recall that the main advantage of such aircraft is their high speed and efficiency. According to research, they are able to cover the space over water 3 times faster than boats and twice as efficiently as airplanes. After leaving the harbor, the aircraft accelerates, takes off and flies at low altitude above the water surface at a speed of 103 miles per hour. The payload capacity of the Ekranoplan is 10 people including the crew, or 1 ton of cargo. A group of Swiss scientists have made a breakthrough in robotics by developing the innovative pedipulate controller, which allows 4-legged robots to perform complex manipulative tasks using their limbs. Such a solution will enable 4-legged machines to be used not only for inspection work, but also as home assistants or for military purposes. During the experiment, developers demonstrated how a 4-legged robot equipped with this device closes doors, opens fridges, carries bags, and even presses the fire alarm button. Also, thanks to the controller, the robot can overcome obstacles, take soil samples, and confidently navigate on slippery surfaces. Not long ago, Elon Musk's company Neuralink implanted its neural chip into a volunteer for the first time. Now, according to Musk himself, it has been revealed that the patient has fully recovered and was able to control a computer mouse using only the power of thought. Currently, the project team hopes that the volunteer will be able to master mental key presses. This will allow him to communicate with others using text messages. The company noted that participant in the experiment will be monitored for 5 years. Throughout this period, the volunteer must use the chip to control the computer at least twice a week. The Pyramids of Giza, the Great Wall of China, and now The Line, a new skyscraper in Saudi Arabia the size of a city. Despite skepticism from scientists and architects about bringing this project to life, construction of the world's longest city building is actively underway. A recent video was published showing hundreds of trucks and excavators engaged in massive earthworks, preparing the site for the future foundation. Every week, they move around 1 million cubic meters of soil and water. The first phase of the Line project is expected to be completed by 2030. The main problem when towing a trailer is limited maneuverability. It seems to have been solved. A unique push-pull trailer will make it easy to turn in place and perform complex maneuvers in tight spaces. Startup Nikola announced the delivery of the first 35 production hydrogen fuel cell trucks to customers in North America. This comes amid accusations from 4 years ago when the U.S. prosecutor accused the company's founder, Trevor Milton, of creating fake commercials featuring his cars. But let's not dwell on the negative. The main advantage of such hydrogen trucks is that they emit no harmful substances into the atmosphere, only water vapor. As for the technical specifications of the vehicles, they are more than impressive. The claimed range of the vehicle without cargo is 500 miles. During the latest test drive, the truck carried a load of about 81,000 pounds over hilly terrain and was able to travel 450 miles on a single hydrogen fill-up. Additionally, the truck performed well in sharp turns, sudden braking, and acceleration. Samsung has pushed the boundaries of traditional wearable devices by developing the Galaxy Ring Smart Ring, which offers a comprehensive set of health monitoring functions. Due to its snug fit against the body surface, the ring provides more accurate data collection compared to smartwatches. As for optional features, the device gathers information about heart rate, blood oxygen level, body temperature, and other vital signs. Additionally, the ring features a built-in ECG sensor, which detects and records heart rhythm data, as well as PPG, capable of measuring blood pressure. All collected data is transmitted to a smartphone for further processing and consultation with healthcare professionals. The device is available in 3 colors: platinum silver, gold, and ceramic black. Most humanoid robots grasp objects with their fingers. Not the innovative soft Android Punyo from Toyota, which uses not only its hands but also its chest, thighs, and shoulders for these purposes. It can grab a large number of items in a handful or, for example, put a heavy water bottle on its shoulder. This is facilitated by a special sweater made of non-slip materials and filled with numerous tactile sensors. The robot lacks grips at the end of its arms, however. Instead, they end with flexible inflatable pads. Additionally, the arms have extra softness due to an array of air-filled chambers, the pressure of which is individually adjusted depending on the task assigned to the robot. Soon, U.S. law enforcement will be equipped with the new Taser 10 electroshock pistol from Axon Enterprise Incorporated. The device can incapacitate a potential offender at a distance of up to 45 feet, providing a high level of safety for law enforcement officers and giving them more time to make decisions. Additionally, the device can deploy up to 10 electric darts simultaneously, significantly increasing its effectiveness compared to previous models. To disorient offenders during nighttime, the stun gun is equipped with a pulsating light with a power of 1,000 lumens. It can also emit loud signals warning the subject about the deployment of darts in case of non-compliance. Blogger Dave Sparks transformed the Tesla Cybertruck electric pickup into a fully functional snowmobile. The unique vehicle can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour on snow. Moreover, even Tesla itself supported the blogger's idea. Yutong has built the huge Robosweep street cleaning robots, resembling a full-size bus. The device is designed for municipal services and will help keep the streets clean without human intervention. The novelty is equipped with a Level 4 autopilot and can operate fully autonomously. Navigation and orientation are ensured by a system of surround view cameras, laser rangefinders, GPS module, and built-in satellite map. Thanks to this, the robot can safely navigate in a city with heavy traffic while performing its tasks. The unmanned vehicle is equipped with various equipment for sweeping, washing, and disinfecting asphalt surfaces. This will not only maintain cleanliness, but also reduce the scale of any emerging pandemics. The first tests of the autonomous street cleaning bus will take place in Chinese cities. The new Bor Wrapper combination LT Master F115 helps to condense hay or straw into compact rolls right in the field, wrap them in waterproof film, and mark them. The setup is equipped with a hydraulic drive, providing better compression force and smooth operation. The machinery functions right in the field and is towed by a tractor. It deploys for operation in 3 minutes. The gathered silage is discharged from the dump onto the feeding auger. From there, it is fed into the forming drum. With a roller system, a perfect dense cylinder is formed, taking up little space. It is then wrapped with film around the circumference. The forming box opens and the cylinder rolls into the wrapping zone where the ends are sealed with film. A sticker with the brand logo and weight is applied immediately. Images and data can be transferred via USB. There is a large screen with a user-friendly interface for control. The Bruce robot model has been developed for those eager to explore the world and the possibilities of robots, as well as train their own humanoid robots. Its software is open source, allowing anyone to modify it. The novelty stands at 27.5 inches tall and weighs 10.5 pounds. The project is a joint effort between Roma and Westwood Robotics. The child-sized robot can jump, dance, and move actively thanks to the Koala Bear Drive. It can be customized and controlled via Bluetooth or a local network. It has 16 movable body parts and is made of carbon fiber. Developers offer a $2,000 prize if the owner teaches the robot to jump on one leg, perform a somersault from a platform, or execute a 150-degree turn jump within a year. The A-Segment DTX10 3-in-1 digital tape measure can not only measure but also perform calculations. It works in tandem with a smartphone app, transmitting readings via Bluetooth so you don't have to remember them. The steel mechanical tape measure allows distances up to 16 feet to be measured, while the laser rangefinder can measure up to 330 feet. The results are displayed on the LCD monitor. Built-in algorithms help calculate the area of a room based on the length of the walls as well as the volume. You can also find out the length of a wall by taking measurements at an angle, for example, when furniture obstructs a straight path. The program will take the angle into account and adjust the readings. Using the same technology, the tape measure calculates the height of ceilings when the user aims the beam at the beginning and end of the wall. Buick has unveiled a prototype of its future electric vehicle, the Wildcat EV, that has so many smart features. The name is chosen for a reason. Many design features are borrowed from the Wildcat. The coupe-bodied car seats 2+2 and features a curved radiator grille and rear lights that extend onto the roof. The spacious car measures 197 inches in length. For easier access to the second row, the roof is slightly raised. Instead of a dashboard, there are 4 displays, 2 of which are integrated into the doors to show images from rear-view cameras. The car actively uses artificial intelligence, biometric access, and aromatherapy. The system monitors the driver's heart rate and reduces stress factors. For example, in Zen mode, it can automatically start a massage in the seat, dim the lighting, and emit a pleasant aroma into the cabin. Built in the style of the car from the Batman movie, the Batmobile was modeled off a 1995 Mitsubishi vehicle. This exclusive version features upward-swinging doors like swallow wings, providing access to the 2-seater cabin. The low windows offer poor visibility but create a menacing squinting look. Bat emblems are present on the U-shaped steering wheel, wings, and side mirrors. The rear lights are located inside the Batman mask. At its front are dummy machine guns. Completing the Batmobile look is a huge spoiler on the roof mimicking a bat's wing. In Switzerland, a single-seat electric hang glider powered by a battery has been introduced. It is attached to the pilot's body with straps and held on the ground by the pilot's feet. It takes off from an elevated position, after which the pilot tucks in their legs, closing the hatch. The entire preparation and launch process takes 15 minutes. It can take off in zero wind conditions and is controlled using height and direction pedals linked to flaps. A parachute with an area of 670 square feet is used for safety. The cockpit can be open or closed. Landing is done on the pilot's feet or special wheels on the bottom of the fuselage. The 10-kilowatt electric drive can be installed or removed in 5 minutes. With it, takeoff is possible from wheels on a solid flat surface. Shanghai developers have introduced a mobile stand for quick auto body repair in field conditions. With it, you can set up a professional station for repairing cars after accidents literally anywhere. The stand has a platform height of 5.5 inches with 4 supports. It can lift a car weighing 7,700 pounds to a height of 70 inches. This is possible thanks to hydraulic cylinders that pressurize oil pumped by a hydraulic pump. Numerous additional tools are installed on the platform to facilitate repairs. For example, there are height-adjustable clamps for the sill seam, which make it easy to tightly close the metal for welding. A vertical beam is attached to the front of the platform. The stand is controlled by a separate hydraulic cylinder and acts as a post when it is necessary to align the body geometry. Trailander's shuttle rescue sleds have been designed to evacuate injured skiers from snowy mountain peaks. They attach to a snowmobile via a hitch. Inside, there is enough space for stretchers and medical equipment. There is a self-contained power system for lighting and various medical devices. Access to the enclosed cabin is through a transparent side door that opens upwards and one rear door located at the back. The standard equipment includes a Webasto heater, a 12-volt battery, stretchers, a mounting system, and a medical chair. Wide skis with shock absorbers provide comfortable traversal of uneven terrain and safe transportation of the injured. Through the built-in socket in the sleds, you can charge a mobile phone for emergency calls. Silently hunting rabbits, deer, elk, and even bears is now possible with the Air Saber Elite X2 dual-barrel air rifle. It shoots arrows using compressed air from a replaceable tank. One refill is enough for 25 shots. Arrows are fired sequentially. A switch at the front determines which one will be fired next. The optical sight provides accurate aiming, and the lack of recoil, thanks to the PCP release technology, eliminates deviation from the target. Another cutting-edge technology, straight flight, delivers compressed air directly to the tip of the arrow rather than the rear, ensuring a straight flight path as opposed to a curved one. The shooting speed reaches 450 feet per second. The new M-Chaos Power Bank is a solution for the issue of drained smartphone battery. It features a built-in flat cable with a Type-C connector that goes back inside the housing, similar to a retractable tape measure. The cable is suitable for charging gadgets and for charging the power bank itself simultaneously. With it, you won't encounter a situation where you have the phone and the power bank but no cable to connect them. The battery has a capacity of 5,000 mAh and supports fast phone charging with a power of 20 watts. A carabiner on the body allows you to attach the power bank to clothing or backpack straps to avoid losing or forgetting it. Do you love saunas? So much that you're willing to take it with you into the woods? Then this invention is for you. Native Narrative Company offers a mobile sauna for 8 to 10 people. It travels similarly to a trailer. It has a compartment with a dressing room, and behind the glass door is a steam room with a fireplace, stones, and a large window. Inside, everything is lined with Scandinavian spruce and outside with black larch. Lighting comes from a built-in battery, and one charge lasts for 60 to 70 hours. The light is turned on with a smartphone through an app or with the built-in panel hidden behind the wooden paneling. At the entrance, there is a ramp for people with mobility issues in special wheelchairs. Kuttra Company has launched an innovative ultrasonic cutter into production. This compact and lightweight device can be used in making various handmade items and even dental prostheses. Precise and delicate cutting is achieved thanks to the high-frequency vibration of the tip, 40,000 times per second. Different blades can be changed depending on the material to work with. The device features premium design and simple controls. The cutting process and mode selection are determined by pressing a button on the handle of the body. It can cut plastic, resin, acrylic panels, leather, PVC, rubber, and many other materials. This office chair has a futuristic look and defies gravity. It is made from a solid piece of aluminum alloy upholstered with Italian velvet and fabric. Thanks to its smooth curves, the chair has an incredible appearance. But the main thing is comfort. The innovative mechanism is made of aviation-grade plates and fiberglass, just like in a spacecraft. This provides a feeling of weightlessness when lying down. Due to the complex mechanism, people of different builds can smoothly recline at any angle and adopt a comfortable position. Armrests are adjustable in 6 directions. The seat cushion resembles the curve of a waterfall. This shape effectively increases the contact area and minimizes pressure on the hips and lower back. People with small garages and narrow driveways face the problem of fitting 2 cars at once. This problem can be solved with a special parking slider. The moving platform helps shift the car in the garage sideways without the need for turning around. This way, you can free up space for another car to drive in. The slider can be assembled by yourself with the help of instructions and a minimal set of tools. To do this, guide rails are mounted on the floor and the car platform is installed on top. Inside, there's an electric motor that can move the car to another part of the garage in seconds with the push of a button. These smart knobs for the kitchen stove can simplify your life and make cooking easier and safer. They can be installed instead of regular knobs. They are equipped with special sensors and a remote control module. Using a mobile app, for example, you can set a timer for the stove. If you forget to turn off the burner after 15 minutes and no action takes place during that time, OHM will detect it and turn it off. You can control the burner remotely, and at the right moment, you can also lock the stove, restricting access to it. This is useful if you have small children at home. This Swedish log splitter helps ease the chopping process. No need to swing a heavy axe and strain your back. The special device attaches to the stump. All you need is a drill for this. Then you can start working. The log splitter uses the force of gravity to drive the wedge into the wood. To do this, you need to set the special weight in motion. Thanks to this, you can easily split logs without much effort. The device is equipped with a spare impact sleeve, which prevents the formation of metal splinters and makes the process safe. A set of spray rollers for painting allows one person to do the work of 2. The roller has a modular design. It is designed for spraying paint and rolling back in one motion. With such a roller, even a novice can achieve professional results. With this roller, you can achieve an even layer of paint even on textured surfaces. It can be used to paint walls, windows, doors, and roofs. Thanks to its lightweight design and long handle, you won't need a ladder, and the painting process itself will become easy and enjoyable. This small device helps completely remove stubborn labels from clothing. If you do it with a pair of scissors or a blade, you can damage the fabric or tear the seam. Plus, there may be small scratching residues left behind. The Luke device resembles a staple and is powered by 3 AAA batteries. With it, you can remove the tag in a few seconds. To cut off the label and seal the seam, just press the button and run the device along the label. The package includes a smartphone app that digitizes the label with fabric care instructions. Special rotary rakes were created for clearing forests after logging. With their help, you can clean the soil from plant residues and level the surface after the first pass. The system weighs about 8 tons, making it possible to remove even large tree trunks. The height and width of the rake's passage can be adjusted from the driver's cabin. There is a hydraulic system for this purpose. Using such equipment helps prepare the area for planting new trees or other work. For winter fishing enthusiasts, a new Ice Pro trailer has been created. It will be a cozy place to relax during the cold seasons. Thanks to its lightweight design, it can be transported even with an ATV. Innovative design and the use of fiberglass set it apart from traditional ice houses and tents. The trailer can be lowered to a height of 1 foot above the ice level. Special hatches in the floor allow drilling holes from the inside. It can also be used to transport equipment and various gear. Inside, there is a soft bench and several cabinets for storage. Additionally, the trailer is equipped with a heating system for comfortable relaxation. You can also install a smart TV, swivel chairs, fish finders, and generators inside for fishing, leisure, and comfort. Comment below what innovation impressed you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest tech innovations and be the first to know about devices that will change our world tomorrow. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.